Ever found yourself staring at your bank balance a few days before payday and thought, if only I could just access a little bit of my own money now? That's where apps like Beforepay come in, promising to bridge that gap. But while the allure of instant access is strong, have you ever stopped to consider the potential downsides? Let's dive into the often overlooked disadvantages of relying on these pay advance services. We're living in a world of instant gratification. Need groceries? Delivered. Want a movie? Stream it. So, why not your paycheck? Beforepay and similar apps offer a seemingly simple solution: get a portion of your upcoming wages early. It sounds perfect, right? Especially when unexpected bills pop up, or you're just trying to make it to payday. But, like anything that sounds too good to be true, there are some crucial things you need to be aware of. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for a cycle of dependence. When you constantly rely on accessing your wages early, you're essentially borrowing from your future self. This can make it incredibly difficult to break the cycle. Each time you take an advance, your next paycheck is smaller, potentially leading you to take another advance, and so on. It's a slippery slope that can quickly lead to financial instability. Then there's the cost. While Beforepay doesn't charge traditional interest, they do impose a fixed fee for each advance. This might seem small, but when calculated over multiple advances, these fees can add up significantly. It's crucial to understand the true cost of using these services. Run the numbers. Are you better off budgeting more tightly, or are these fees truly a necessary expense? Another disadvantage is the potential impact on your budgeting. When you're constantly accessing your wages early, it can become incredibly difficult to track your spending and stick to a budget. This can lead to overspending and further financial strain. The illusion of having extra cash on hand can be misleading. It's not extra, it's just earlier. Furthermore, these services often rely on linking your bank account and analyzing your spending habits. This raises concerns about privacy and data security. Are you comfortable giving a third-party access to your financial information? What happens if there's a data breach? It's essential to consider the privacy implications before signing up. It's also important to remember that these apps are not a long-term solution to financial problems. They're designed to bridge short-term cash flow gaps, not to address underlying financial instability. If you're struggling to make ends meet, it's crucial to seek out resources that can help you develop a sustainable budget and improve your financial literacy. Finally, the ease of use can sometimes be a trap. The simplicity of accessing funds can make it too easy to overlook the long-term consequences. The instant gratification can overshadow the importance of careful financial planning. It's easy to swipe and forget until the next pay cycle hits. So, before you jump on the bandwagon of instant pay advances, take a moment to weigh the pros and cons, understand the potential for dependence, the costs involved, the impact on your budgeting, and the privacy implications. Make informed decisions about your finances. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.